Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your welcome channel on Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now you have to click here. Now click the right button of your mouse. Now press on create channel. Select your text and give a name of your channel. Now press on create channel. Now go to the settings option. Now click on permission. Now go to advanced permission. Now scroll down. Here you can see send message. You have to disable this. Click on cross icon. Now scroll down. Here you will find read message history. You just have to enable this. Now click the right icon. Now click on Save Changes. Now close it. Now open a new tab and search for mee6.xyz. Now click on Add to Discord. Now click on Authorize. Now press on Setup. Now press on Continue. And click on Authorize. Now check this I'm human. Here you can see mee6. Now again go to the bot page. Click on Accept All. Now you can see here send a message when a user joins the server. You have to turn on this button. Now here you have to select a channel. Select welcome and rules. Now here you can set your welcome. Click on Save. So this is how you can make a welcome channel on Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.